The topic of today's video is how to do an anonymous question on Instagram story. Now, I'm sure you've seen these pop up quite a lot, so here is how you do it. So the first thing that you want to do is go to the Google Play Store and search for NGL, Ask Me Anything. And once you've downloaded the app, just go ahead and open it. So now we're going to press Get Started, and you're going to put in your date of birth and put in a username. Then you're going to choose your profile picture. If you don't want to put it in now, you can just press skip, and you can just allow notifications or don't allow. It's up to you. And then we are going to copy our link, and then you can press OK on the link copied section here, and then we're going to click on share. Now it's going to show us exactly how to set this up, and it's really simple. So you can just keep pressing on next step, and when you're ready, hit share on Instagram. Alright, so now what we're going to do is we're going to go to the top and click on the sticker icon, and we're going to click on link, and then we're going to paste our link and say done. And then what we want to do is move our link onto the paste your link here section. So it should look like that. And then you're going to hit the white arrow on the bottom right of the screen, and you're going to say share. And it's going to post your story, and it should look like this when you are done. And you can click on the link and see it for yourself. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one.